How German Shepherds know when you are in danger. Have you ever wondered about this? You're sitting alone in your house, scrolling on your phone, and suddenly your German Shepherd stiffens up, ears perked, staring at the door as if he knows something you don't. A second later, the doorbell rings, or maybe someone walks past the window. How did he sense it before it even happened? This isn't just a coincidence. German Shepherds have an incredible ability to detect danger, sometimes even before humans realize what's going on. And today, we're going to uncover the fascinating truth behind this sixth sense. German Shepherds are one of the most intelligent and loyal dog breeds in the world. Originally bred for herding sheep, they developed extraordinary awareness of their surroundings. Over time, this awareness turned into something even more powerful: the ability to sense danger. But how do they actually do it? The secret lies in their heightened senses, their nose, their hearing, and their ability to read human body language in ways we can't even imagine. Let's start with their nose. A German Shepherd's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times stronger than a human's. That means they can pick up on the faintest changes in scent, like the smell of fear. Yes, you heard that right. When you're anxious or in danger, your body releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals slightly alter your natural scent. You won't notice it, but your dog will. Your German Shepherd can literally smell your fear, and this tells him something is wrong, even before you say a word. Now, let's move on to their hearing. Have you ever seen your Shepherd tilt his head and perk up his ears when you don't hear a thing? That's because they can hear frequencies almost twice as high as humans and detect sounds from 4 times farther away. A faint footstep outside, the rustle of leaves, even the sound of a car slowing down in front of your house. Your German Shepherd notices it long before you do. Combine that with their natural guarding instinct, and suddenly they're on high alert, ready to protect you from what they believe could be a threat. But perhaps the most mysterious ability of German Shepherds is how they read body language. Dogs are natural psychologists. They notice the smallest changes in your posture, your breathing, your facial expressions. If your heart rate goes up or your voice trembles, your Shepherd picks up on it instantly. They connect the dots. My human is tense. Something is wrong. I need to protect. This ability is why German Shepherds make some of the best police and military dogs in the world. They don't just follow commands. They read situations, almost like they can see into the future. There are countless real-life stories that prove this. Owners tell of their Shepherds waking them up in the middle of the night, seconds before a break-in. Others describe how their dogs blocked them from entering a room where an accident was about to happen, or barked frantically until their human paid attention to a hidden danger. These aren't myths. Science supports it. German Shepherds' instincts, combined with their senses, allow them to pick up on threats that humans overlook. But here's the most touching part. German Shepherds don't just detect danger. They act on it because of their loyalty. To them, you are family. Their pack, their everything. When they sense you're in danger, their protective instincts kick in. Not because they're trained to, but because their love for you is unconditional. This is why German Shepherds are not just guard dogs. They are guardians of your life. Think about it. When you come home late at night and your Shepherd meets you at the door, tail wagging but eyes sharp, he's not just happy to see you. He's scanning the environment, checking if everything is safe. When you go for a walk and your Shepherd suddenly positions himself between you and a stranger, that's not random behavior. That's centuries of protective instinct, refined and sharpened, now focused entirely on you. Even science can't explain everything. Many owners believe their German Shepherds have a kind of sixth sense, something beyond smell, sound, or sight. Stories of dogs predicting earthquakes, sensing illnesses like cancer, or alerting owners seconds before a seizure suggest that there is more to their ability than we fully understand. And German Shepherds, with their intelligence and intuition, seem to be masters of this mysterious gift. So the next time your German Shepherd growls at an empty hallway or refuses to let you open a door, don't ignore it. He might be sensing something you cannot. Trust his instincts because history has shown us When a German Shepherd says danger is near, he's usually right. German Shepherds are more than pets. They are protectors, companions, and silent guardians who know us better than we know ourselves. Their ability to sense danger is not magic, it's a mix of science, instinct, and unshakable loyalty. And that's what makes them one of the most remarkable breeds on the planet. Now I want to ask you, has your German Shepherd ever warned you about something before it happened? Share your story in the comments below, because your experience might just prove how truly incredible these dogs are. And if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with other German Shepherd lovers.